Hello, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of makeup and addressing some common mistakes that can hinder achieving that flawless finish. Let's get started. First up, mistake number one, applying makeup on dirty skin. It's crucial to start with a clean canvas. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any dirt, oil, or impurities. Once your skin is clean, apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Moisturizing helps create a smooth base for makeup application, ensuring it goes on evenly and lasts longer. Now, on to mistake number two, using the wrong foundation shade or applying it unevenly. Choosing the right foundation shade is essential for a natural look. Test shades on your jawline to find the closest match to your natural skin tone. When applying foundation, use a makeup sponge or brush to blend it evenly across your face, focusing on areas that need more coverage. Blend well into the hairline and jaw to avoid harsh lines. Moving on to mistake number three, overdoing blush and contour. While blush and contour can add dimension to your face, too much can look unnatural. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks with a light hand, blending it towards your temples for a natural flush. For contour, use a cool-toned powder or cream product and apply it subtly along the hollows of your cheeks, jawline, and sides of the nose. Now, let's talk about mistake number four, messy or uneven eyebrows. Well-groomed eyebrows frame the face and can make a huge difference in your overall look. Use an eyebrow pencil, gel, or powder that matches your hair color to fill in sparse areas and shape your brows. Brush them upwards for a feathery, natural appearance and set them in place with a clear brow gel. Lastly, mistake number five, smudged eyeliner. While eyeliner can define your eyes beautifully, smudges can detract from the look. When applying eyeliner, start with small strokes close to the lash line for precision. You can create a winged look or keep it simple, depending on your preference. Use a smudge brush to soften any harsh lines for a polished finish. And there you have it. By avoiding these common makeup mistakes and following these tips, you can achieve a flawless makeup look that enhances your natural beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!